Hello everyone, welcome to Techifly. Hope you all are doing great. Firstly, thank you so much for choosing this video to learn. And in this video, we're gonna learn how to draw this bolt object in 3D in AutoCAD. So before we're gonna start this video, there is one red color subscribe button. Make sure you all subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for all kind of notification. So without any further delay, let's get started. I fixed this view as southeast isometric and in top face. Now we all are good to draw. Now take circle command C, select radius, give radius as 5 mm, select any specific point, then press enter. Now take polygon command, give 6 for sides and press center point. Choose inscribed in circle or circumscribed circle. So I chose inscribed in circle and give radius as 5 mm, same as the circle. Adjust the screen according to your workspace. Apply extrude or press pull command. I select extrude command with the distance as 3 mm for polygon. Again select extrude command, or else you can click this space button to activate previous command. Then apply extrude command for circle with the same distance as 3 mm. Now apply fillet command to give some rounded shape to edges of the circle. For upper and lower too, I select fillet command F, give radius as 0.8 mm, select upper edge, give right click, then enter. Now select lower edge, press right click in mouse or else in touchpad, then click enter. Now take intersect command, select polygon first, then circle. See, some area deleted except the combined part. So bolt head is ready. Now it's time to draw lower part of this bolt. For that, take circle command C, give radius as 1.8 mm, find where the center point is. For finding center point, turn on object tracking mode in status bar. You can easily find where the circle point is. Circle center point is. Now take extrude command, select circle, then press enter. Give height as 13 mm, then press enter. Now give string tool bolt lower part. For better understanding, change this as realistic mode to hidden mode. Now take helix command. Specify center point and touch any tangent of that circle for 2 times. Then leave it according to on which point helix turns needed or which point helix turns ended. Now type properties command PR and click on helix. Then helix respective pop-up box will be displayed. Then go to turns, change turns count like 18 according to your wish. You can give more than this or less than this, that's depend on your object dimensions. Now take circle command with radius as 0.15 mm. Take sweep command, select circle first, then give path, that is helix. Now select subtract command, select object first, then enter and then helix. See, helix path subtracted from that object. Now we'll give some kind of rounded shape to end of this circular edge. For that we use fillet command F, give radius as 0.2 mm, select respective edge, then click enter. If you wanna apply any color to this object, then type material command, go to metal and choose which material color you wanna apply and then simply drag and drop on your specific object. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Practice it and share pictures of your drawing in Instagram. I will give link in description box down. So if you all like this video along with my explanation, please do like, share and give feedback in comment section. Also subscribe to Thankyou channel. I will give link in I will see you all in my next one more interesting 3D object.